Alright, we've got a little break in the shop action here. We've got to go after the 7200. It's got a shaft broken in the transmission. We're going to pull it back to the farm and load it here at the shop. We're going to use the 4620 to pull it back here with, because that's the only thing that's not hooked to anything. It's a little foggy here this morning, so we got one of the guys in the pickup there. They're going to follow us back here to the farm. Well, we're all hooked on here, ready to pull it back to the farm, but the damn thing won't start. So Jason went back to the shop to get the Army truck, bring that up, we'll jump it quick. This was on the merger back when we were doing first cut, and it was down the field about 200 yards. Something let go in the transmission. Originally I thought it was just a sensor or linkage or something, but there's a shaft or something broke in the transmission, so we have to take this to the dealership. They've got to do quite an extensive job to get into what's broke, and they didn't feel it was something that we should try to tackle at our shop. So we're just waiting for Jason to get up here so we can jump start it quick. We'll pull it back to the farm and load it there. It has steering and brakes, so it'd be a little handier loading it at the shop rather than trying to load it up here on this small back road. So we're only a couple miles away from the farm, so we'll get this pulled back to the farm and get it loaded up. We're gonna have to put a new set of batteries in it too. Originally I thought the merger was doing something to kill the batteries, but it just doesn't have enough cranking apps to start it right now. Alright, we are hooked up and ready to go. It only took a little bit to get started, but we're obviously going to have to put new batteries in it. So we'll give him a little tug, make sure he's got brakes. He's okay with the steering. He's good with the brakes.
dare you?
Alright, we've got that back here. We're just going to get the low boy ready to go here, and we'll pull it up onto the low boy and get it chained down, and Tim's going to run it over to Kaz Equipment. They're going to work on it over there. It's quite involved to get into them transmissions. They've got a cab kit to jack the cab up, split it apart. It's the 7000s are a joke to get apart. So momentarily here we will be pulling it up on that trailer. Alright, he is all ready to roll, and we're going to get back into the shop. We've got a crawler to finish up, and we're going to get back working on the Freightliner here. Just checking things over. We've got each tire flag there, all chained down. And it looks like we could get a little more rain here, so the guys are gonna haul some more manure, but we've got to let things dry out a little bit.